With the proposed extension and widening of Woolridge Road and increasing traffic volumes, traffic patterns in the area will change and improvements will be needed to ensure it operates safely and efficiently in the future. One area location where improvements are being considered is the segment of Woolridge Road from Watermill Parkway north to Lacoc Road and the entrance to the Barkham section of the RounTrey subdivision. 3 options were developed for this segment as part of the traffic safety and operations study for the Woolridge Road corridor. More details on the study can be found using the interactive website at chesterfield.gov/road projects. Let's now review each of these options in more detail. Here we see the superstreet option. A superstreet is a term for a series of intersections where left turns are not allowed from the side streets. Left turns would not be permitted from the following streets: Norland Road, Barkham Road, Alvacote Drive, Spaldwick Lane, Lacoc Road, and the future Simons Bath Road. Instead, drivers are asked to make a right turn and then make a U-turn. Left turns from Woolridge Road onto each of the side streets would still be allowed, keeping access into the neighborhoods as it occurs today. Travel times would be improved, reducing the need to wait for openings in traffic when making left turns from the side streets. This option would improve safety by reducing the risk of crashes for vehicles turning onto Woolridge Road. Pedestrians crossing Woolridge Road may find it challenging because traffic would not stop or slow down in this option. The next option adds roundabouts at both ends of the superstreet shown previously. Roundabouts would be provided at the Woolridge Watermill Parkway intersection and the intersection of Lacoc Road, future Simons Bath Road. These roundabouts would allow for easier U-turn movements to replace the left turns, which would no longer be permitted from Norland Road, Barkham Road, Alvacote Drive, and Spaldwick Lane. This option would also improve safety by reducing the risk of crashes for vehicles turning onto Woolridge Road. The proposed roundabouts would help control speeds through this section of Woolridge Road, as well as help improve travel times by reducing the need to wait for openings in traffic when making left turns from the side streets. Crosswalks would also be provided at the roundabouts for pedestrians, who would be able to cross one direction of traffic at a time. The third option is a traditional traffic signal. A traffic signal would be provided to control all movements at the intersection of Woolridge Road and Norland Road and Barkham Road. No left turns would be permitted at the intersection with Alvacote Drive and Spaldwick Lane. This traffic would have access to the signalized intersection proposed to the south. The intersection at Lacoc Road and Simons Bath Road could function as either a signalized or stop control intersection based on the ultimate traffic demand. This intersection would modify existing access into the neighborhood, unlike the previous 2 options. It would also be difficult to gain approval for a traffic signal at this location. VDOT has specific criteria that must be satisfied for traffic signals to be installed. Traffic signals can also increase the potential for certain types of crashes, particularly rear-end crashes, due to the need for frequent stops at the light cycles to serve different movements. Crosswalks and pedestrian signals would be provided to assist with crossing Woolridge Road. You can explore these options further by viewing the interactive maps and following the links on the study website. Please provide your feedback by ranking the options in order of your preference and providing any additional comments. Thank you for your assistance.